I'm very happy and privileged to welcome the Slovakian flight. The first flight from Slovakia was 2017 when the president arrived. It was first historical visit of my president to Kenya, and so now it is a very symbolic flight because he is bringing the humanitarian aid during this difficult time of pandemic. You know that also we in Slovakia, we are having a big challenges, and we would like to express our solidarity with the people of Kenya and to show that our relations are really excellent, good. So this is some small, how to say, contribution to fight the coronavirus. The First Lady is some kind of patron of our development cooperation, and we are always very happy with her patronage, with her advices, and it is for us very inspiring.
The Minister of Health is pleased to be here today to be able to receive very kind contributions from the Slovak Republic. And this comes in handy at the point where the country is nearing, past the 17,000 mark in terms of positive cases. And the contribution being received here today will definitely go a long mile in being able to defeat coronavirus, in being able to actually fight coronavirus. This morning, as we met with His Excellency Ambassador, I asked him, how is the Slovak Republic doing when it comes to their coronavirus response? And he told me, we're all trying to fight in, we're all trying to hang in there. And really that is the spirit of solidarity and collaboration that we are experiencing between the Slovak Republic and the Republic of Kenya. And so we extend our sincerest gratitude to the Prime Minister and his team from the Slovak Republic for this kind contribution, which contains about a set number of testing kits, about 18,000 liters of sanitizer, protective gear that will go a long way in helping our community health workers as we implement our home-based care program. So the Minister of Health remains committed to the fight against coronavirus and appreciates the support from the Slovak Republic. Thank you.
I am very pleased to be here this morning, principally to receive this very special consignment arriving from Bratislava aboard this airline of the Republic of Slovakia. And it is delivering, this airplane behind me is delivering a consignment of humanitarian aid donated by the government of the Republic of Slovakia to the people of the Republic of Kenya. And on behalf of the government of the Republic of Kenya, I want to express a very special appreciation to the people and the government of Slovakia. Slovakia is a very, very special friend of Kenya, and we have a lot of bilateral cooperation in various fields ranging from agriculture to business to health. And it's all about expanding possibilities and opportunities between our two countries. And therefore, this is yet another step, another gesture of the very strong cooperation between the Republic of Slovakia and the Republic of Kenya. I want to take this opportunity to thank Ambassador František, my very good friend and brother, Ambassador of the Republic of Slovakia to Kenya, for the fantastic work he is doing to promote good relations between our two countries. I also want to thank the European Union, really represented here by the Deputy Head of Mission, and the EU is at the forefront of facilitating this cooperation between Kenya and EU member states like Slovakia, which is a key member state of the European Union.